image scanner fi-7300NX. The fi-7300NX is the network image scanner. Intuitive operation on the touchscreen and flexible network functionalities allow direct integration with client business systems to significantly improve work efficiency. The fi-7300NX provides fast scanning speeds of 60 pages per minute and reliable paper feeding with the multi-feed detection and paper protection functions. Manual feed mode allows you to scan a wide variety of documents. PaperStream NX Manager, the server software, carries out PC-less central management for scanners, such as user authentication and job management. Scanned data will be transferred to the server, and the server completes image processing to output. PaperStream NX Manager controls up to 1,000 scanners. Begin scanning from the scanner's touchscreen or from various applications on smart devices to suit all business needs. Navigate the touchscreen to scan and save documents without being tied to a computer. Various types of user authentication, such as NFC with smart cards, as well as username and password input, are supported. Display customized job menus on the touchscreen. Customized job menus ensure that efficient and secure decentralized data entry is possible for each user. The REST API introduces new functionality that allows you to scan to client systems through smart devices. You can conveniently utilize a variety of mobile devices to support scanning operation and significantly improve work efficiency. Provided SDKs allow PaperStream NX Manager to integrate into various systems. Conventional scanning with a computer is also possible. Not only is USB supported, but wired network and Wi-Fi are also supported so that you can select the most suitable interface for your environment. The fi-7300NX also works with PaperStream IP, the scanner driver that enables users to enjoy simple scanning operation and high-quality images. The fi-7300NX provides PC-less scanning operation, decreases installation and operation costs, and simply makes work at the office more efficient.